I made this last video, and they're kind of hard to throw. So now I'm going to show you how to throw. So you want to hold them in your hand like this. This goes right here on your thumb. This goes in your middle finger, and these kind of just hold like this. And you just take it, you're doing like a downward motion. You want it to slide out of your hand. That. And then they stick. You don't have to do it very hard, you just have to kind of find the perfect balance. Once you got it, stick it in almost every time. They get kind of hard to stuck in there. But if you're throwing it in cardboard, it is easier. And the threads, if it goes into the threads, they grab on and pull out, not right. What I do to practice is I start close, I step back, take another step, one more step, so eventually you get pretty darn far. Oh, I missed that one. But it is all just trial and error, and eventually you'll get pretty good at them, and you could actually use them as a weapon. But I hope you like this video, and come back again tomorrow.